When Deku steps up against Overhaul to save Eri, you know it's about to get intense. Deku's got one for all in his corner, but Overhaul's out here literally tearing things apart. It's not just a fight for survival, it's a fight for Eri's future. The battle begins in the middle of Overhaul's underground lair, where things have already gone off the rails. Overhaul, the ruthless leader of the Shie Saikai, is determined to use little Eri to perfect his quirk-erasing drug and reshape the criminal world, but Deku isn't about to let that happen, not on his watch.